Nutrition. We're gonna go with waffle stingers, close to real food as you can get it there. That's easy. Goo, gels, no caffeine. Actually, these have tons of caffeine in it. These clip blocks are decent. They do have caffeine. That was the plan. Element for electrolytes. This has 1,000 milligrams sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, 60 milligrams of magnesium. I split half of one of these up in each one of these. I'll drink that every 2 hours. Of course, when duty calls, you gotta have a little bit of the wipe because you don't want to have to cut the pockets out of your shorts to wipe your butt. That's kind of weird. When the nuts get chafed, you gotta have some Body Glide. Salt, Electrolyte salt. I'll have this, Advil, Tums, all in a Ziploc bag. Prior to the race, I'm gonna be eating a lot of this beet juice because beet juice supposedly helps with getting oxygen to your molecules. So I'm actually drinking a little bit of that beet juice right now. It actually tastes pretty good. At the aid stations, my crew, I'm gonna make sure that they have this hard roller. Probably not gonna need to probably about 79, maybe 70 to 80 is usually when things get a little wonky. So I'm gonna have this, that's kind of fun. And then I'm gonna be running with the Insta 360. So I'll be running, doing selfies, getting a lot of content. I'm sure there's gonna be more, but this is a lot. But yeah, hey, what do you think? It's gonna be 100 miles, probably over 24 hours, going all night, all day, and hopefully done before the night. Let's go, 0 to 100.